Where can you spend your Step Up scholarship money? Let me show you. Every click. It takes about 3 minutes. Direct pay means you never pay up front. You reserve the funds. The scholarship sends the money, and the provider invoices the state, not you. Step 1. Log into your EMA account. Same login you used to apply. Step 2. Click Marketplace. It's on the left. Step 3. Click Find Providers. Step 4. Pick which child this is for. Step 5. Search the provider's full name. We'll use my academy as an example. Teddy Dupay Basketball Academy. The short name finds nothing. Step 6. Tap the provider. Choose the location. Step 7. Pick the service that matches what you talked about. Quantity 1. Step 8. Add to cart. Then reserve the funds. That's it. The provider confirms. Your child attends. State gets the bill. You never touch a card. At Teddy Dupay Basketball Academy, TDBA, we make it even easier. You hold your spot first, no card, and we email you these exact steps. Go to teddydupay.com/stepup. Our mission is to help kids.